Unraveling, given these points, a guide to understanding and using this phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might seem a bit complex at first glance but is incredibly useful once you understand it, given these points. This phrase is a powerful tool in both written and spoken English, often used to draw conclusions or to emphasize the importance of certain arguments. So, let's break it down together. Given these points is a transitional phrase that serves as a bridge between the evidence or arguments presented and the conclusion or opinion that follows. The word given in this context means considering or taking into account. So, when someone says, given these points, they're essentially saying, considering what has just been mentioned. This phrase is commonly used in academic writing, presentations, and discussions to signal that the speaker is about to summarize or conclude their argument based on the evidence or points already presented. In academic writing, in essays or research papers, given these points is used to introduce a summary of the arguments made or to lead into a conclusion. It's a formal way to signal that you're about to present the implications or conclusions derived from the data or arguments you've discussed. In everyday conversations, while more common in formal contexts, given these points can also be used in everyday discussions. It's a concise way to acknowledge the information shared in a conversation before stating your opinion or decision based on that information. Examples. In a debate, given these points, it's clear that environmental policies need to be more stringent. In an essay, given these points, one can conclude that social media has a significant impact on public opinion. If you're looking to vary your language or find a phrase that fits better with your tone, there are several alternatives. Considering what has been mentioned, taking into account these factors, based on the evidence provided. These phrases can be used interchangeably with, given these points, depending on the context and formality of the situation. And there you have it. Given these points is more than just a phrase. It's a critical thinking tool that helps to link evidence to conclusions, making your arguments more coherent and persuasive. Whether you're writing an academic paper, engaging in a debate, or simply having a thoughtful conversation, understanding how to use this phrase can greatly enhance your communication skills. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has illuminated another fascinating aspect of the English language for you. Happy learning!